Today we have the Gears iWire tank bag. Has 5 rare magnets in it. Rare element magnets. Goes on any steel tank. Fits very nice. It's not to go anywhere when riding. Has multiple different pockets. Has the front pocket. Has the main phone pocket. That slides right in. Keeps your phone very snug, so it's not going to slide around. Universal fit. Go to Google Maps, set my GPS to where I need to go, read where I need to go. Has inside pockets at the top of the bag for your wallet, keys, any extras. The base of the bag has lots of room for storing water, lunch, whatever you need to bring. And the bag does come with a waterproof cover. Keeps all your stuff nice and dry. If you do get caught in the rain, also has a go grab handle when you're ready to go. And the bag's very nice. Also, it comes with straps for if you were wanting to change into a backpack.